Veg Maggi balls.
Two boiled and mashed potatoes. 2 tablespoons of boiled green peas matter. 2 tablespoons of chopped carrots. 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of oregano. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of Besen gram flour. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. 1 packet of Maggi break into small pieces. 2 tablespoons of Maida all-purpose flour. Take a mixing bowl and add boiled potatoes. Add boiled green peas. Mash them. Add chopped spring onion. Add chopped carrot. Add salt. Add oregano and chili flakes. Add Besen. Add black pepper powder. Add corn flour. Combine all ingredients well. Make soft dough. Dough is ready. Apply oil on palms. Take a small portion of dough and make round balls. Dough balls are ready. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in Maida 2. Make slurry. Dip dough balls in slurry and coat it with Maggi chunks. Dough balls are ready for frying. Fry on medium flame. Fry until golden brown. Flip and fry. Crispy balls are fried well. Remove them. Tasty and crispy veg Maggi balls are ready to serve. Do try this recipe in Ramzan. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.